Happy Sunday, beautiful people. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday or had a wonderful Sunday. Because I'm not sure what time the vlog here gonna go because we're off to a late start. Right now it's 3:01. Yup. But we're not doing the rice and peas today and them things there. We're just gonna go whip up something real nice and simple. We'll do some cabbage, saltfish, and some ground provision. Sweet potato, dasheen, and a few little stuff. I'm gonna make some juice. I did make the juice from yesterday, but I did really tired because I did a prep for what I do earlier this morning. I'm in a too long reach home. Anyways, I have some pineapple and carrot right here with some ginger cut up in it. And also on the stove, I have a pot where I draw the pineapple skin. So I'm gonna use the water there to blend all of the goodies. My outer breath. Because this is the second time I start over the video because I never love the lighting. But let us get right into it. Guys, I want to prefer cabbage or pak choi. Me love pak choi. I love cabbage too, you know, but pak choi just tastes so good. I probably just need to do all right because it won't appear enough to do. What the heck? This is all I get from the cabbage. I need one bag to put all of these in. I'm now going to throw them away so it can give the animal. Need that. Oh, guys, I'm going to open my while I'm going to smell mango. I never remember to put mango for ripe. Mango are rotten. How much money you put in there? Wait there, guys. Wait there. What? I know somebody that said, girl, it's just mango, but it's my favorite fruit. All of them ripe. Oh my. Wait, I'm not even find what I'm going to look for. So I look for a bag to put the peel in them in a. Who beg now get una beg no one? You guys know it. It's a real little song what we used to sing when we were younger. So I have to peel the one here and eat it ASAP because it's not rotten, you know, but it just if you know about mango, you know what it's going with. Alright. So we come back to those. And of course I'm not gonna show my newspaper because me is a proper old woman. I love to have my newspaper because I use it for shine down my mirror. I use it for put mango for ripe. And look at thing. Now I'm going to show you. Found one. So all of the peeling them are going to go into this. Go move on to this, the pumpkin. And just a handful of this. Or 3 lime. We have some pine right here, so I'm gonna put for draw. So I'm gonna just strain this off and use the water to blend it. Alright, so this is everything and I'm gonna wash them. The only thing that in this are the sweet potato because I'm gonna do that separate. Alright, they get a little bit confused a while ago in regards to what I want to do first, but I'm gonna get the food out of the way and then start with the blending because Could be worst. Guys, I'll be back. I'm have to clean up that. I can't. Poor me. Change of plans. So I'm going to throw them here in the cover this year until I'm ready for blend. Because I don't want to have them out like that and I wash it already. Put it in the fridge. Then when I finish, I go back to it. So I can't stop see so much things one time. Because a lot I get to me now. Brings out this much better. So I could start with the cabbage. Please don't come for me with how I cut up the cabbage because I don't love my cabbage soft. I love it crunchy, so I normally like not too big but not too small. But let's just get right into it. Alright, so now all of that out of the way, let us move on. We need to prep the stuff them for start boil the food. I think the water is ready. Yup, so we're gonna just go ahead and put them in. Nothing when me a boil now go hard, but since I gonna boil the banana in its skin, I'm gonna put that in first. So all I need, I have to be careful now, I'm spread out the cloth here underneath it. We just need like 6 fingers. Or 4. Yeah, 4 good. Then just slice it down like this. Yeah. Just like when you're gonna peel it. Right. I want to tell you something I never remember nothing about dumpling. Anyways, I could just need some real quick. I need another small plate here because we only need about 4. This will do. A little cornmeal. Just like that, we'll have a dough. Alright, so food a boil. Now I'm gonna clean up the saltfish and put on the vegetable, then we can start make the juice. I never do want to do everything one time because up here said I look too messy and then would I get frustrated because blending, you get previous video, you don't know, blending is a whole lot of work. And also, thank you guys so much. I say, I get 1 and 2 DMs and also I say 1 and 2 comments would not tell me if use the cheesecloth. Mega say if I can get one of those to buy. Normally, when I grew up, my mother would have like one piece of cloth in the kitchen, but should I use for like strain our juice and our coconut milk and stuff like that. But I don't have one of that. Mega just want to use the grater, the strainer. I'm going to use the strainer until I can buy one of that. What the fuck? My phone. Oh, I use it for second angle. But yeah, I'm gonna buy one of them. Somebody send me £1 sheet. Big up yourself. Thank you so much for that. But yeah, let us clean up the saltfish. I need one next bag because certain things I'm not throwing in the garbage bag and those stuff make the garbage smell really bad. So I normally just put it in another little bag and then put it in the freezer, wait until the garbage should come, or I just carry it outside same time, go throw it away. Alright. My heart belongs to you. We pray and God deliver. We pray and God stop the war. God gave us one more chance. So this I gotta take some time. So I'm gonna speed it up because I normally like to get out all of the bone. This is it. Yep. So I'm gonna give it another quick rinse. So we're gonna put some cooking oil. Not too much. Alright, so we're gonna add this to the pot first. Let us cover it for a bit. Then we're going to add in the saltfish. Then we're going to cover it so the saltfish can soak up all of that nice flavor there. Ooh, nice. My phone battery died. Sorry. So I'm adding some butter and me season with some Maggi all-purpose. I don't put black pepper in my vegetable when I'm steaming it. I love the taste where it give after. Let me know. So just add some butter to it. And then allow it to steam. Just remember some of the juice to make it. If I didn't live with mommy don't do all of them a long time, you know? Why? No, welcome me to the adult world. May I try. Why? I cannot pick up my shoes. I can't pick up at my head. I can't bother. I don't know if I will laugh or if I will cry. Jesus, take the wheel. Alright. What am I doing? Guys, and I must wonder why me I look up so every minute. Because me I check to see if the camera is still a record. So the food finished cook. And when we finish with the juice here, I'm going to put it in the freezer so it can cool properly. And right now about after 5. Something after 5, I'm not sure. My phone battery dead. probably turn on and I'm not sure. I go eat leave him though. I'm not gonna wait for him. It be like this sometimes. We don't always eat together, guys. We have things to do. Sometimes just eat alone, sometimes me eat alone. Especially if we're hungry, we're not gonna sit down and wait. I mean, if the waiting time short, then cool. Cause enough time I wait for him, enough time him wait for me. But today one of them days where I'm not gonna wait. That's why when your partner can have fun, don't delay it. Because days are gonna come when you're not just busy. All of them can tell each other good morning, good night. Now we just rush out. I don't mind though, but hopefully it's having enough ginger. I'm gonna have a big jug, so I'm gonna put the juice, I'm gonna mix the two juice them together in another pot here. So you see, the one here did have in more carrot, and the batch here did have in more pineapple. So I'm gonna just mix them together, sweeten it, and then strain it one more time. Whole lot of straining. It whole. I did that fright because when would I do some rings out them here? It work. Alright, so before I do that, I'm gonna look at my phone turn on so I can give it a different angle. Alright? Why am I have so much missed call? Okay, beautiful people, I am back. Let us sweeten this juice now and then strain it off. I'm not gonna put too much in there. I'm just gonna put like a solid 1 spoon. This is good. So I'm gonna just mix that in, see how it tastes, and then I don't know what to do. If I have to add some more. I did have it in another container here because I never want it to spill out, but it just make it lean. So I think we'll do better without it. Just stir it round to make the sugar dilute, then make a taste it to see if it wants some more. I doubt it say it I go want more though, because I don't like sweet juice. I just want it to be refreshing and taste of ginger. That's the most important part. Perfect. That's really good data. I did that. So I'm gonna just wash up the dishes, eat my dinner, watch one movie until Jason come home. I'm gonna think I can bother give another video here today. So it's Monday, so I hope you guys had a wonderful Sunday. Because by the time if I'm done edit this, it's gonna be what time. Not gonna work. Now put up no video after 7 o'clock. 7 people overseas 8 o'clock. People are England in the morning, so so you guys gonna get this video Monday, tomorrow. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful Monday. Yeah, watch out. When I put the lime in the juice, I'm gonna some more lime in it, you know. Poor me. I can't still squeeze it in that neck. Yeah, make it stay. Too much work. I guess I can squeeze lime in a mind when me I drink it, but it's good. It's good like that. Yeah, how to keep your man 101. Just kidding. Joke me a make. Joke me a make. You could have do everything for the man or the woman. If they want to leave, they will leave. That was a joke. But make we go wash the plate. Guys, you know what? I go turn off the camera, wash up the plate, and then when I eat my dinner, when I share, I come back, come showing because I'm a little bit frustrated now. I am done. The kitchen clean up. Everything is back in place. I'm gonna wash out them here, just turn them down so them can drain before I pack them away. Light a candle, and now it's time to eat. So this is dinner. Yup, I'm gonna find something for watch, eat, and just chill. I probably go TikTok live tonight. Guys, follow me on TikTok. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys. Bye.